Hello and welcome to this episode on adding quotes for CRM with Enterpryze. I'm Archie from Enterpryze, and in this session we will cover how to add a quote, what actions to take, and how we can link it to our lead. So let's get started. You can very simply add a quote for your prospects or customers before linking the quote to your lead. This will give you more visibility on the sales cycle of your lead. To start, click on Quotes, then New Sales Quote, and either Item or Service. Select your customer or prospect from this list, and you can choose to change the contact from the default as well. Enter in your reference. Owner and salesperson will default to yourself, but you can change this. The posting date will default to today, and valid until date will be 30 days from now. And again, you can change both of these if you wish. Now I'm free to add either a text line or actually add some items to my quote by pressing Add Line. Just search for your item and select it from the list. Enter in your quantity, make any changes to price that you'd like to do, and press to add either an additional item or OK to simply return back to the document. Now click on Save to save your quote. From here, you can click into Actions, where you have a few different options, including the option to email or print the quote, or you can download it to a PDF. You can add a related activity which will populate at the bottom of the quote, and if you'd like to, you can send the quote for approval to the contact that you selected. Anytime, just edit the quote by clicking on Edit or Close or Cancel it as required. Now, to see how easy it is to link your quote to your lead, first we need to come into the CRM module. Come into your leads area and select a pre-defined and pre-created opportunity document. From here, scroll down to the Add Document section. You'll see in this example, I already have a document linked. So if that is the case, I can click to remove the linked document. And now I am free to add a document again. Click on Add Document. And to start with, you would like to select the document type. I will, in this case, select a sales quote, and we can now see the sales quotes that exist for this particular customer. All you need to do is select the one that you created just before. In this case, it's number 949. Click on Link, and that will add them together. If you have a number of documents, as I did there, you can use the filter options on the right to only view the ones in question. Now, take a look at the next video on how to manage your leads on the pipeline and the dashboard. Thanks for watching. Please check out our help articles on help.enterpryze.com, or please contact our support via the live chat. Any links to the Help Center can be found by clicking on the Help Center on the left of page to take you there.